All right, I'm recording on 2 GoPros, and as you can see, and I'm in our 1984 Pontiac Fiero. I'll do a walk around in a second. You can see the cat over there. She's definitely sleeping. So I'm gonna take this for a drive because I haven't made a single video with this car and it's almost August, which is sad already. Can't believe it. So hopefully, I've been sitting here for like 10 minutes trying to get these perfect. So let's go. Alright, got it started. Clutch was in. Hopefully I'm recording. I never know. Alright, it says it's recording. Probably not gonna be a very long drive. Alright. Here we go. First gear, and let the clutch out. I have not drove this yet this year. This is the first time I'm driving this year. So far so good. I feel like the seat needs to be moved back though. Clutch in. Wow, this is weird. I have not drove stick since I have the Cobalt, but just second gear. Yeah, I gotta move the seat. I don't know if it moves back. Oh, that's better, almost, kind of. I don't know. I'm not really good with the whole seating position of this car, but it's mostly set up for my dad because this is now his car and I have the Cobalt. So I think I'm gonna put the window up. That way you guys can hear me. Even though I'm probably gonna put music or something over this. Well, we'll just get a pull in real quick. That guy just ran that stop sign. That was nice of him. Got you on camera. So you'll see the shift light works. That's just a recommendation. Man, it's been a while since I've drove stick, especially this car. It's been a long time since I've driven this car. So we're going, oh geez, some birds. This car, let me downshift to third. I'm gonna go up this hill, and it's kind of dark through here. I probably won't rev it over much over 4 grand. This has the 2.5 Iron Duke in it. I did a video like this a long time ago. That's why I kind of am taking my time on this, because, you know, this is like the first video I've done with a Fiero in forever, and I guess I kind of am doing a talking video, but I won't talk the whole time. I don't know, it sounds like this window's not, the window or the door's not closed all the way on this. So, it did recently rain, so this does have some gravel on it. Like I said, I'm just gonna go this way. Probably come back up this road. There's not another gear for me to shift to. It's only a 4-speed. Day when we were here yesterday driving this, and we saw some deer, so hopefully I don't see any deer. I'm trying to, hopefully you're not just staring at the ceiling the whole time. I can look. That doesn't look too bad. That's what I was trying to avoid, is you guys looking at the ceiling the whole time. So it's definitely a lot slower than the Cobalt. Yeah, see, and I'm in 4th gear, and I don't really have much to. That was 45, I think. I'm probably just gonna turn around. Somebody did some burnouts on this intersection. All right, so No. After driving the Cobalt, this car is like clunky and old compared to the Cobalt. And the Cobalt's old. But it runs good. I don't hear any unusual clicks. I think probably we're gonna have to see if the headlights work. All right, they both went up and they both went down. So the headlights work. Pop up and down headlights. That's where the deer were. All right, and then coming up to this turn, we're gonna slow down. Oh no, maybe it's not this one. I don't know. I can't drive that fast because there's a bunch of houses on this road. But hopefully the words that I'm saying everyone can hear okay. I've also got this other camera, so we'll see how that goes. I might not even use that. But here comes a car. Truck. It's weird. This car is super low. Here comes another car. This is where I would kick it down in a third. Yeah, really pretty much you can't go much faster than that because this car doesn't really handle it. It does handle it, it drives good, but it just doesn't, you can't go much faster than that. It runs out of gear. This car needed a 5th gear from the factory. And they added a 5th gear with the V6, but this is a 2M4, so we can probably rip around this turn too. Hit the brakes, shift to the third. That's pretty much it. I gotta slow down now, so. Nice cruise. That's probably gonna be the end of the video. So I'm gonna look at the footage, but if there's no videos after this, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you wanna see more videos of the Fiero. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and make sure to like and subscribe.